Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the subtitle on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the more button under the playlist option on the left side on the screen and go to the settings section. Scroll down and in the X settings section you can find the third option, the subtitles, and tap to the subtitle preset button, and here you can find different options: large text, largest text and contrast, with background, yellow with background, and just select one, for example the default, and click to the circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.